glasses are flatter, draw your eyebrows flatter. If they're round, draw your eyebrows with a slight curve. Avoid glittery shades, as glasses already reflect light, neutral, earthy tone, healthy glow, applying it mainly to the center of your face. Hello everyone and welcome back to Glow Up. How to do makeup with glasses. For those of us who wear glasses, we've all experienced the frustration of makeup not looking as good with glasses on as it does without. The makeup might look great at first, but once you put on glasses, it can appear unbalanced. Also, the nose pads can easily smudge and ruin the foundation on your nose. Today, I'll share some tips on how to do makeup when wearing glasses, focusing on techniques rather than specific color schemes, so you can customize the look to your preferences. Let's jump right into it. I'm wearing contact lenses, as my prescription is over 500 degrees, and I can't see clearly otherwise. When doing makeup with glasses, it's helpful to have a handheld mirror for close-up details and a larger mirror on your desk for checking the overall look. The most challenging part of wearing glasses is the area around the nose pads, which tends to smudge and cause caking. The solution is to apply less foundation in this area to reduce friction. Today, I'll demonstrate using the HAIRSTYLE Lulu Piggy foundation. Its fluid texture makes it suitable for long-lasting wear, offering about 70% coverage. Use a puff to gently blot the area around the nose pads to remove excess product. We must carefully conceal dark circles because wearing glasses creates shadows under the eyes, making dark circles more noticeable. Matte makeup is best when wearing glasses because lenses already reflect light, so if your face is oily, it will make the overall look appear messy. I'll use a loose powder from the brand, which is very fine and lightweight. It instantly gives a soft, matte, airbrushed look and absorbs excess oil without drying out the skin. I really love this powder recently. You can pinch the puff to create a small tip, then dip it in some powder to bake a little around the nose pad area. Now for the eyebrows. If your glasses have thick frames, your eyebrows can be drawn thicker and darker. A thick frame with thin eyebrows would look strange. Conversely, if your frames are thinner, you can draw softer, thinner eyebrows. The shape of the eyebrows should match the direction of the glasses frame. If your glasses are flatter, draw your eyebrows flatter. If they're round, draw your eyebrows with a slight curve. Also, when wearing glasses, the eyebrows shouldn't be covered by the frames. There should be a slight gap between the glasses and your eyebrows so that your eyebrows are visible, making you look more energetic. If no matter how you draw your eyebrows, they're still covered by your glasses, you might need to consider if it's an issue with the glasses themselves. When buying glasses, it's best to choose frames that allow your eyebrows to show. You can wear your glasses while outlining your eyebrows to mark their position and shape, then take them off to complete the drawing. After doing this a few times, you'll become familiar with how your eyebrows should look without needing to wear your glasses while drawing them. Deepen the inner eye socket a bit. When wearing glasses, the shadow from the lenses already helps contour the nose, so you don't need to draw along the bridge of your nose, just contour the tip to make it appear smaller. Draw a small V on the tip of the nose and blend it towards the center and sides. The cheek contour can be applied as usual. For eye makeup, because wearing glasses tends to make our eyes look smaller, the goal of the eye makeup is to make the eyes appear larger. However, avoid using overly bright or large colors as that would look imbalanced. I recommend choosing neutral, earthy tones for your eyeshadow. If you want to use colorful shades, opt for those with low saturation. Start by applying a base color. Don't extend the eyeshadow beyond the area of your eyeballs. Lower eyeshadow can be applied all the way to the inner corners. Then, take a slightly darker shade and deepen the crease from the back towards the front. Use a flat brush to apply the darkest shade below the center of your eyeball and gently extend the line outward, connecting it softly near the outer corner of the eye. Use a concealer brush to fill in the gaps between your lashes, and then use an eyebrow pencil to create the shadow for the lower lash line aiguille. One tip for eyeshadow is to avoid glittery shades, as glasses already reflect light, and adding glitter will make the look appear messy. Since nearsighted eyes already look slightly bulging, glitter can accentuate that. If your eyes aren't bulging, you can use a subtle pearly shade to add dimension by lightly highlighting the center of your eyelid or the lower lash line. Eyeliner is a must because nearsighted eyes usually look less defined. After applying eyeliner, your eyes will instantly look sharper. I like to use a brown gel liner to fill in the inner lash line first, then use a pencil to gently extend a small wing. For lashes, I believe they should be obvious, as long lashes are key to enlarging the eyes. I know lashes often touch the lenses, but as long as you curl them well, they won't touch the lenses. For everyday wear, I usually curl my lashes and apply mascara, but since I'm filming today, I'll put on a pair of well-separated false lashes. For blush, choose a color that adds a healthy glow, applying it mainly to the center of your face, but avoid applying it under the eyes. Make sure that area stays clean. The blush should extend just below the frame of your glasses. It might look a little odd at first, but once you put on your glasses, it will look more natural. As for lipstick, choose a shade with low saturation that complements your overall makeup look. Avoid overly bright colors, as glasses tend to work better with everyday, neutral shades. Gold makeup and glasses usually don't go well together, so it's better to stick with softer, neutral colors for everything. Today, I'm just keeping my hair in a simple ponytail, fresh and clean for a casual everyday look. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. See you in the next video.